If you use Notion but feel lost when people talk about databases, you are in the right place. In a few minutes, we will build a project tracker that actually helps you get work done, not more clutter. The word database scares a lot of people because it sounds like complex math or coding. But in Notion, a database is not a scary spreadsheet. It is simply a smarter way to organize many pages at once. Before we build, you should understand two words: items and properties. Think of a filing cabinet. Each folder inside is an item, a single row in your database. The labels on the folder, like urgent or due Friday, are the properties. Let us build your first database. Create a new blank page first. Name it database. Type /table and pick table view database. Name it project tracker. That first column is the title. This is not just text. Every row is a clickable Notion page where you can open and write notes, attach files, or add checklists. Let's name it Project 1. You will see an Add Property column by default. Change it to Status by clicking the column header and switching the type to Status. Now click a cell and pick Not Started, In Progress, or Done. You can also edit property the way you want. Next, we need deadlines. Click the plus property to add a new column and choose Date. Click inside a cell and the calendar appears. Pick a date and suddenly your project has a deadline attached. Click plus again and choose Select. Name the column Priority. Click in a cell and type High, press Enter, then type Medium, press Enter. You can add Low if you like. With Priority set, you have a color-coded way to see what matters most, which keeps your focus on the right things. Here is the magic of views. Look at the settings above the table, click it, go to Layout, and choose Board. Your rows become cards stacked by status, like a simple Trello board. Drag a card from to Done to Complete, and the status updates automatically. Same information, different view, same truth. Till now in this Notion tutorial series, you know pages, blocks, and databases. Let us combine them into a personal system. In the next video of this series, we will build a knowledge hub, a central brain for your notes that brings together everything we covered so far. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also, comment, what problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.